Welcome to my channel, Marita James, Kirigol's Boys High School. Today we are looking at Form 3, Organic Chemistry 1, Revision Exercise, KLP, Question 6. Hydrocarbonic Q was found to decaralize potassium manganate 7 solution. When 2 moles of Q are panned completely, 6 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of water were formed. Write the structure formula of Q. Name the homologous series to which Q belongs. Name one industrial sources of Q. Potassium manganate 7 is used to test the presence of alkenes. So this one is used in testing the presence of, testing the presence of alkenes, whereby the acidified potassium manganate 7 will turn the color from purple to colorless. So the alkenes have a double bond. It has a double bond. So this one are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. These are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are the carbons which have a double bond between the carbon atoms. So when 2 moles of Q were panned, so we can have 2 moles of Q hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is a compound that contains carbon and hydrogen only. So we have 2 moles of carbon, 2 moles of Q, a compound that contains carbon and hydrogen only. When these ones are completely panned, when we pan this one, so we are panning this one in the presence of oxygen. So we are getting 6 moles of carbon dioxide. So we have 6 moles of CO2 gas, and then we have 6 moles of water. So we have 6 moles of water. Now, so to get the number of carbon atoms here, we have 6 carbon atoms here, and then here we have 2 moles of this one. So we can put 3 here, such that 2 times 3 is giving us 6. The total number of hydrogen we have on this side is 6 times 2, which is giving us 12. So we have 2 times 6 is giving us 12. So we can put 6 there. So the formula of the hydrocarbon is carbon 3, then we have hydrogen 6. This is now an hydrocarbon which can decaralize the acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Now, write the structure formula of Q. The structure formula of Q is 3 carbons, so we have 3 carbons, and then we have 6 hydrogens. So the structure formula of that one, the structure formula of this is we can have 3 carbon, so we have between the carbon atoms we have a double bond, so we have the 3 carbons. So this carbon here, it needs 1 bond to be complete, so we can have 1 hydrogen there. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So these carbon atoms must be 4 bonds, so it has a maximum of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the other side, this one it has 2, 1, 2. Then we have 3, 4. So hydrogen, hydrogen. This is now the structure formula of hydrocarbon Q. I name the homologous series to which Q belongs. We have 3 homologous series. We have alkenes. All alkenes are saturated because they have 1 carbon atoms between the carbon atoms. So they do not decaralize the acidified potassium manganate 7. Then we have another homologous is alkenes. The alkenes and alkynes. So this one here, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They have a double bond between the carbon atoms, and therefore they decaralize the acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. So name the homologous series to which Q belongs. So this one belongs to alkenes. Name one industrial sources of Q. So the industrial sources of Q is cracking of long hydrocarbon. So this is a cracking of long chain hydrocarbon. Follow my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. Click the notification bell. You get notified once I upload a new video.